Vertiv brings you the latest innovation. The Liebert ITA2, the state-of-the-art, efficient, reliable, rugged, and flexible power UPS.
We have conducted advanced environmental testing in extremely harsh conditions to ensure reliability and adaptability in real-time scenarios.
Wet dust test.
Advanced wet dust testing has been carried out to ensure ITA2 can perform and work efficiently in industry stringent environments.
Soil powder and salt have been mixed to eliminate the 3-year-old dust in general urban areas. Level 2 benchmark standards were met for severity and harsh conditions during the wet dust specifications tests performed on ITA2. We will now place a prototype in the dust, which weighs around 335 grams, for testing. Initially, the test prototype is placed in the dust chamber. Dust is blown into the dust chamber and naturally settles after a while. The UPS is not running at this point of time. After 5 rounds of dirt and natural dust, the dust test prototype is sent into the incubator. In severe test conditions, at 40 degree and 90% relative humidity, the ITA2 has undergone 1,000 hours of continuous operation. Switching to different operational modes and functional testing is carried out under the harshest conditions.
1,000 hours later, the UPS still works properly. The UPS controller does not appear to show or exhibit any malfunctioning.
High and low temperature limit test.
Intense high and low temperature limit tests have confirmed that the ITA2 can operate in extremely high and low temperature conditions.
During the high temperature limit test, remove the UPS high temperature protection. With temperatures rising to 80 degrees, the UPS works properly even at full load. In a low temperature limit test, the temperature drops to -60 degrees. The Liebert ITA2 UPS still works appropriately without any abnormal output. There was no decline in the output or performance, even after complete test was carried out. Car vibration and shock test.
Vehicle vibration test validation for the Liebert ITA2 UPS is successfully simulated on the vehicle in motion environment. Therefore, the ITA2 UPS has been found to fully support broadcasting vans or mission-critical systems mounted on the motion vehicles.
The vehicle vibration or impact test was carried out in accordance with the national standards requirements. The vibration test was conducted on the UPS in all the 3 axis directions, the XYZ axis for the time period of 100 minutes per axis, and the UPS was still functioning smoothly. The impact test exposed the ITA2 UPS across all the 3 axis directions randomly and subjected it to 6-way half-sine wave shocks with a pulse of 6 milliseconds, acceleration of 30 grams, and shocks in each direction around 3 times, and still, the UPS was totally functional as in a normal operation. Package drop testing.
The package drop testing confirms durability status of the Liebert ITA2 system by examining the UPS stability for vibration, drop, and stacking stress during storage, transportation, and handling.
Under this, the following tests have been carried out on the Liebert ITA2 UPS, namely the 3-axis random vibration test, the free-fall test, the rotation drop test, and the stacking pressure tests. Low pressure tests.
High-altitude tests have been conducted to show that ITA2 works well, even in high altitudes of over 3,000 meters, without any deviations, thereby significantly broadening the scope of applications for this UPS.
Initially, place a test prototype in the chamber and raise temperature to the rated operating temperature of the product at 25 degrees. After thermal equilibrium is achieved, the pressure in the chamber is adjusted at a constant rate to 701 millibars, which is equivalent to 3,000 meters above sea level. ITA2 worked fine in applying the simulated conditions for long hours constantly, without showing any sign of overloading.
After test is completed, we will restore the pressure inside chamber to normal pressure levels. The appearance and performance of the ITA2 UPS remain normal despite having undergone such tough situations.
In addition to all this, ITA2 has undergone EMC testing, safety testing, compatibility tests with isolation transformers and machine oil, and also passed Energy Star rating tests. Definitely, ITA2 is a top-of-the-line, small power UPS.